You guys, you need to stop whatever you're doing right now and watch this video because L'Oreal Paris has sent me something amazing, a pre-access to their newest launch, which is their Hyaluron Pure range. So without any further ado, let's dive into today's video. As you guys know, I'm an oily scalp girly, and thank you so much L'Oreal Paris for coming up with this range, because more than me, my scalp needed this. Hi guys, namaste, welcome back to my channel. My name is Priyanka. You need to stop everything you're doing right now and watch this video because something really exciting has come up. And I can't wait to show that to you all. L'Oreal Paris sent me the early access package to the newest launch, which is the Hyaluron Pure range. One that has solved the biggest problem of my life, the problem I have been suffering all my life from. I have always had like really oily scalp, which means I have to wash my hair every, second day, every day or maybe every second day, because every time, I wash my hair the second day, my scalp gets extremely oily. And this is such a difficult thing to tackle, right? Obviously nobody wants sticky oily hair. At least I don't want that. We don't like that sticky greasy scalp, right? We all want fresh, vibrant, bouncy hair. But because of this particular issue of oily scalp, I have struggled all my life to style my hair. So when I heard about the newest launch from L'Oreal Paris, which is their Hyaluron Pure range, I was really excited. A range specifically designed for people like us, like people like me basically, and you if you're watching this video and if you have oily scalp with dry ends. Right now my ends are not dry because the magic of the shampoo has happened, but I have extremely oily scalp and my ends are really dry. I wanted to make sure that I try this shampoo no matter what, and I'm like stunned right now. Now let's unbox the package and see what's inside this package. A beautiful package from L'Oreal Paris. So I received this box and let's unbox it together and see what's inside. So basically when you unbox this, you have this amazing shampoo right here, and the packaging is so sleek. Let me show that in a while. And also the amazing L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Pure conditioner. So we have this right here. There's a beautiful comb right here, and there's a bow right here, and also a card right here which says take your free your hair challenge. But wait, can we take that moment to appreciate this packaging, you guys? It's so sleek. It's not just beautiful on the outside, it is packed with dual power ingredients that are going to change your life for the good. This range has hyaluronic acid plus salicylic acid. That is literally what my hair wanted all my life. Now I'm sure you must be wondering, how is this shampoo range, conditioner range is going to give you that clear scalp and give you that soft and sleek ends? Let me tell you how. And as you guys can see on the screen right now, I've inserted the clip that my hair looks super duper. My scalp looks super oily the very next day after I wash my hair. It's really difficult for me to style and flaunt my hair. It becomes very sticky, and I really don't like that feeling. I really love fresh, voluminous, bouncy hair, and that oil and dirt build up on my scalp becomes a big problem, and it's really not feasible washing the hair every single day. Let's try the shampoo and conditioner together and see the results ourselves. So 3, 2, 1, let's go. So now you can see the before and after on your screen right here. As you guys can see, the before and the after, my scalp is completely oil free. It looks fresh and exactly how the shampoo claims it to be. So basically, let me explain you, by the way, how does this work. So salicylic acid in this shampoo works by cleansing all the oil build up on your scalp, the dirt, leaving it clean and fresh for like 3 straight days. And and the hyaluronic acid in this range makes sure that my ends are really lightweight and very hydrated without making it dry. These two ingredients together doesn't make my scalp very clean. It also keeps my lengths very hydrated. So the problem of oily scalp is also solved, and the problem of dry hair length is also gone. Love this combination that L'Oreal Paris has come up with. My final thoughts would be that this range will really help you in getting a break from that pattern, breaking that pattern of having an oily scalp at all these years. No more frequent washing just to keep that oiliness at bay. No more way down hair because of just that oil buildup on my scalp. Now is the time to have the best hair of your life. Just hydrated, lightweight, bouncy, clean scalp is all I wanted in this life. I hope you guys find this review very helpful. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know in the comment section below what is your biggest challenge with your hair. For me, it was like oily scalp and dry ends. What is the challenge that you face with your hair? Let me know in the comment section below, and I shall see you very soon in the next video. I love you all so much. Take care of yourself. Have happy, healthy hair, and see you very soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care.